Ethnic Intelligent Control, TOF Ranging Camera. In the measurement industry, from the point of view of development and technical application advantages, TOF sensors in the optical sensor category are increasingly used. What exactly is a TOF sensor? Easy to understand. It is now present in your smartphone camera. It's a time-of-flight sensor. The full English name is roughly pronounced time-of-flight. Go deeper. It is a proximity sensor. How it works can be explained this way. A tiny laser light is used to emit infrared light. The light produced in it bounces off any object and returns to the sensor. It returns to the sensor according to the reflection of light and the reflection of the back body. Time difference between them. The distance between the object and the sensor can be measured. The data generated and captured using TOF sensors is very useful because it can provide pedestrian detection, facial feature-based user authentication. Its biggest advantage lies in ranging. Its depth calculation accuracy does not change with distance. Basically, it can be kept at the millimeter level. Also in industry, precise instruments are required to measure the distance of objects, and the creative TOF rangefinder. It has 4 major points. 1. Small size and easy installation. 2. Digital output anyone can understand. 3. Its use is simple. 4. High precision accuracy can reach a millimeter. Let's see an actual measurement below. This is an interference test performed in direct sunlight. It is now placed at a distance of 3 meters. The distance from the visible object to TOF is 3 meters. Now we see the distance measured by TOF. The measured value is also 3 meters. Now move the object forward by 0.5 meters. Our measurement distance is 2.499 meters. It can be seen that the object is now 0.5 meters and the distance to TOF is 2.5 meter, and the measurement results are very accurate. Now move the object another 0.5 meters. Now the distance displayed is 1.999 meters and the accuracy meets the requirements. After actual calculations, its range can range from 0.05 meters to 30 meters and its accuracy can reach a millimeter. And under the trend of multi-technology and hardware cost reduction, there is no doubt about his ranging prospects on the performance indicators such as high resolution and low power consumption. The future is also worth looking forward to.